Hi, I'm Stephanie Prescott with REMAX Capital Properties, and I have to tell you, I have a definite bias as I do this video for the summer reading program with the library. I love the library. I love everything about it. I love the memories I have here. I love the feel and the smell of the books. I love the memories of watching my kids play up here on the second floor. And this year's summer reading program is called Imagine Your Story. So I brought a friend with me today just to get you excited for signing up. So when my kids were little, we would come to the summer reading and we would leave with a big grocery store bag filled with books, go home and read together, and it's some of my fondest memories. And I hope you have the opportunity to do that with your kids and create memories also. So the summer reading program fits completely with our REMAX Capital Properties mission and our vision. It fits because it serves so many people in our community, and we love that. So be sure to sign up for this year's summer reading program in May. Also watch for the other exciting things that the library is doing. There'll be a tea this summer, and for our book lovers bash, Lee Child and his family are our guest speakers, and CJ Box is going to be the host. It's going to be fantastic. So start with the summer reading program and watch for the other exciting events. Thank you.